In our business, we cherish the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive great reviews, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what one of them had to say. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first, each and every time. We think this feedback proves that. We love our repeat customers, but we also love our new customers, and we would like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.